You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to download non-copyright songs with Chrome on your phone. First, understand that you must only download music from sources that explicitly offer royalty-free or Creative Commons licensed content. Open Chrome on your phone and go to a reputable site like YouTube Audio Library, Free Music Archive, or Incompetech. On the website, browse or search for the genre or mood of music you need. When you find a song you like, look for a download button or link, often labeled download, MP3, or a downward arrow. Tap the download link. Chrome will ask for permission to download the file. Allow it. The song will download to your phone's downloads folder. To find it, open your phone's Files or My Files app, navigate to the downloads folder, and your MP3 file will be there. You can then move it to a music player app. Always double check the licensing terms on the website to ensure the song is truly free to use for your project, whether it's a video, podcast, or background music. For more simple tech tutorials, subscribe to the channel.